No. It's moving along pretty good. I can't zoom in any farther, so
Is that a UFO?
I don't know what it is. Unless it's like a... How far away is it?
What is that?
I mean,
I see some.
it's hard to determine the distance. But it's,
Guys, that's a UFO.
I think it depends on the size of it.
It looks like a saucer, kinda. The top is round and
Yeah.
it's got. Like
I mean, when you look at it outside of the camera, it looks a lot larger than what it is on the camera. I'm at a 4x zoom here, and you know, from the video it looks just very small. Above us is an airplane.
Yo, guys, it's a UFO.
It's going pretty good clip that way, but kind of lost sight of it here in the video. There it is.